Reading Comprehension, C1-C2, Lesson 7, The Biomass of Life, Distribution and Importance. Let's begin.
The biomass of life on Earth represents the total mass of living organisms across all ecosystems, from the depths of the oceans to the peaks of mountains. It includes everything from microorganisms, plants, and animals to fungi and humans. Understanding the biomass distribution and its role in the planet's ecosystems is critical for comprehending life on Earth, the functioning of ecosystems, and the challenges posed by climate change, biodiversity loss, and human impact. A groundbreaking study conducted in 2018 estimated the total biomass of life on Earth to be around 550 billion metric tons of carbon. This study also revealed a surprising fact: despite the dominance of animals in the public imagination, plants make up the vast majority of the Earth's biomass, accounting for roughly 80% of the total biomass. In contrast, all animals combined, including humans, constitute less than 0.4% of the total biomass. The remaining biomass is comprised primarily of bacteria, which play a critical role in ecosystems, as well as archaea, fungi, and viruses. Plants dominate Earth's biomass largely due to their ability to photosynthesize, a process that allows them to convert sunlight into energy and store it as carbon. This makes them the primary producers in almost all ecosystems, providing the foundational energy source for other organisms. Forests, especially tropical rainforests, are home to a significant portion of the world's plant biomass. However, deforestation and habitat destruction are rapidly diminishing the biomass of plants, raising concerns about the long-term stability of ecosystems. By contrast, animals, including humans, are consumers. They rely on the organic material produced by plants and other organisms for energy. Within the animal kingdom, the majority of biomass is composed of arthropods, such as insects, arachnids, and crustaceans, which play vital roles in ecosystems as pollinators, decomposers, and prey for larger animals. The biomass of vertebrates, which includes fish, birds, mammals, and reptiles, is much smaller, though vertebrates often occupy key positions as predators or herbivores. The human species, though representing only a small fraction of the total biomass, has had an outsized impact on the distribution of biomass across the planet. Over the last few centuries, human activities, including agriculture, deforestation, industrialization, and urbanization, have significantly altered the natural distribution of biomass. Livestock, such as cows, pigs, and sheep, now make up a significant portion of the Earth's animal biomass, far surpassing that of wild mammals. In fact, it is estimated that humans and their livestock account for more than 96% of the mammalian biomass on Earth, with wild mammals accounting for less than 4%. This shift in biomass distribution highlights the profound impact human activities have had on biodiversity and ecosystems. One of the most important components of Earth's biomass is microorganisms. Although invisible to the naked eye, microorganisms, including bacteria and archaea, play indispensable roles in the functioning of ecosystems. They are involved in processes such as nutrient cycling, decomposition, and the regulation of gases in the atmosphere. For example, microorganisms in the soil break down organic matter, releasing nutrients that plants can absorb. In oceans, microorganisms contribute to the carbon cycle by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen through photosynthesis. The biomass of microorganisms is particularly significant in marine environments, where they are responsible for the majority of biological activity. Marine microorganisms form the base of the food web and drive the biogeochemical cycles that regulate the Earth's climate. Phytoplankton, for instance, perform roughly half of the photosynthesis on the planet, despite their small size. The ocean's vast microbial biomass plays a crucial role in carbon sequestration, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change by absorbing carbon from the atmosphere and storing it in deep ocean sediments. The distribution of biomass also raises important questions about biodiversity and ecosystem resilience. While certain forms of life, such as plants and microorganisms, dominate the planet's biomass, the loss of even small amounts of animal or microbial biomass can have cascading effects on ecosystems. The extinction of species, the destruction of habitats, and the alteration of ecosystems can disrupt food webs, reduce biodiversity, and weaken the resilience of ecosystems to environmental changes. Maintaining a healthy balance of biomass across different species and ecosystems is essential for sustaining life on Earth. Human-driven changes in biomass distribution are contributing to the loss of biodiversity and the degradation of ecosystems. Deforestation, overfishing, and pollution are reducing the biomass of plants, animals, and microorganisms, while climate change is altering the conditions that support various forms of life. These changes threaten not only individual species, but the stability of entire ecosystems. As ecosystems become more fragile, they are less able to provide essential services, such as clean water, fertile soil, and a stable climate, which are necessary for human survival. Maintaining a healthy balance of biomass across different species and ecosystems is essential for sustaining life on Earth. Given the interconnectedness of life on Earth, efforts to conserve biodiversity must consider the biomass distribution of all life forms, not just the most visible or charismatic species. Protecting ecosystems, restoring degraded habitats, and reducing the human impact on the environment are key to maintaining the balance of biomass and ensuring the health of the planet's ecosystems. As scientific understanding of biomass distribution continues to grow, it provides valuable insights into how ecosystems function and what can be done to protect them for future generations.
Thanks for watching. Visit www.tutorukabc.com for more fun learning material.